G'day, welcome back to the All Thumbs Bum channel. Got a bit of a problem with my little engine swap in my hot rod. Got a high idle. Can't seem to trim it out anyway. So now I'm checking for a vacuum leak. So you might have seen smoke machines, people hooking up vacuum cleaners, doing all sorts of stuff to pressurize the inlet manifold and find some smoke coming out. So I'm going to show you my rig for checking out the manifold leaks, and I think I've found it, but it's real hard to show. So I've got here little handy dandy Azeto compressor. Here is a Schrader valve from a tyre and a bit of convenient hose. I've got the valve stem removed. I've got that hooked up into the inlet manifold. I've tried to blank off as much as I can the extraneous hoses coming off of there, so we can hold some pressure in there. You see we're holding pressure there. Well, the bubbles are working around the shitty tape job I've done. Well, we might have got lucky there. The only way to see is when we kick it in the guts.